A couple of weeks after comparing Xi Jinping to dictators, US President Joe Biden has revealed that he warned the Chinese president of getting too close with Russia after his meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin because Beijing relies on Western investment. I said, this is not a threat, this is an observation. Since Russia went into Ukraine, 600 American corporations have pulled out of Russia, said Biden. And you have told me that your economy depends on investment from Europe and the United States. And be careful, he added. When asked what Xi said in response, Biden said that the Chinese president listened to him and did not argue. This comes at a time when the relationship between China and the US has grown tense over a range of issues, including Taiwan. In March, Putin and Xi had 2 days of conversation with warm words of friendship between China and Russia and joint criticism of the West, but no sign of a diplomatic breakthrough over war hit Ukraine. They also participated in a virtual summit earlier this week. There are heightened tensions and pessimism in the US-China relationship over national security issues including Taiwan, Russia's war in Ukraine, growing US export bans on advanced technologies, and China's state-led industrial policies. Meanwhile, US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen was continuing a visit to China on Saturday. She called for market reforms in China and criticized its recent tough actions against US companies and mineral export controls, while China's premier called on her to meet China halfway and put bilateral relations back on track. Yellen met with Premier Li Qiang during a visit to Beijing aimed at repairing fractious US-Chinese economic relations, but made clear in her public remarks that Washington and its Western allies will continue to hit back at what she called China's unfair economic practices.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.